this is how you can print 4 slides per page in Google Slides. First, go to the File menu, click Print Preview, and this will open the preview window of your document in case you want to print it. Now, if you want to get each paper or each page to have 4 slides or even more, go to this option that says 1 slide without notes, and then you want to change the setting to 4, 6, or even 9 slides per page. It's totally up to you, but the premise of this video is to select 4 slides per page, and after that this page will refresh and will display you the version where you can fit 4 slides into 1 page. Now notice that all these slides are laid landscape horizontally. If you want to switch to vertical, you can click this landscape menu and select portrait, and that will refresh the page and will bring you an updated version where all the slides are arranged vertically like this. So yeah, that's how you can put 4 or even more slides in 1 page in Google Slides. I hope you find this video helpful.